This is the very important video for the coders who are planning to write CCS certification exam in 2026. As all of us know, if you want to write CCS certification exam, you need to follow some criteria related to books, which you need to use while writing the certification exam. If you want to know which books are suitable to write CCS certification exam in 2026, starts May 1st. This is the video. You need to watch it completely. And also, if you are planning to change your job, please join in our WhatsApp group, where regularly we will post jobs from USA, India and UAE. And also, if anyone planning to undergo training related to same-day surgery coding, IPDRG coding, SCC coding training, CCS certification training, please send message to 707-526-3939. So now the point is CCS 2026 exam required code books effective May 1st, 2026. Okay. Only books included in the list below will be allowed in the test center. So you need to follow this ISBN number if you want to write CCS certification from May 1st. Please pay close attention to the ISBN numbers. Test center will verify candidates are using the correct coding books. Candidates who do not bring the correct code books to the center will not be allowed to test and will forfeit their exam fees. So what is mandatory here? If you want to write CCS certification from May 1st, 2026, you need to follow these ISBN numbers and you need to purchase all these videos or all these books. Here all candidates are required to bring the following 3 code books to the test center. So you need to have ICD-10 CM 2026, ICD-10 PCS 2026 as well as CPT 2026 Professional Edition. ISBN number is following. And these are the approved versions for 2026 CCS certification exam. These are related to ICD-10 CM. These are related to ICD-10 PCS, and this is related to CPT. As all of us know, we have only one CPT publisher, which is AMA. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. As I told you previously, if you are looking for job change, please join in our WhatsApp group. Group link is the description of this video.